Merry Christmas from Nana. And to all my subscribers and everyone out there.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana in the kitchen, who wanna eat? Let's get to cooking, turn up the heat. You just getting started? Well, she the vet. One question for you, y'all hungry yet? Who the best in the city? Don't hold your breath. Say you with me, cause Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making festive cinnamon sugar tortilla crisps. The ingredients that we're going to need today are vegetable oil, flour tortillas, 1/2 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of ground cinnamon, and also Christmas cookie cutters. In a small bowl, I'm going to add my 1/2 cup of sugar and also my 1/4 cup of ground cinnamon. All you want to do is whisk it together until it's well combined. Once it's well combined, set it to the side. Now you want to take your flour tortilla and we're going to cut out our shapes with our cookie cutters. You want to make as many as you can from each tortilla. All you're going to do is press down and cut out your shapes. Okay guys, I have all my shapes cut out. Now you want to put some vegetable oil into a pan and bring it to temperature. Once your oil has come to temperature, you want to go ahead and put your flour tortillas in. You want to keep an eye on them because they will get crisp really quickly. Don't overcrowd your pan. Guys, this takes less than a minute, so when they're done, you want to go ahead and place them onto a paper towel. Now you can repeat the process. Remember, we're going to remove them when they get a little golden. Okay guys, this is what they look like when they're done. Okay guys, so now all we're going to do is take them, place them into our cinnamon sugar. I'm going to get them nicely coated. Okay guys, so here we have it, our nice festive cinnamon sugar tortilla crisp. This is a great little snack for the holidays. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?